Before we leave, I just want to reiterate our musical for next Saturday evening at 6 o'clock over at our Cedar Hill location. When Reverend Alexander was saying who our recording artist would be, Joan Meyer out of Miami, Florida, what he did not say is Joan is a member of the community church. She has been with us through the pandemic, and she says, Pastor, next Sunday, I want you to give me the right hand of fellowship when I come to my church. Amen. Again, all of our preachers, I would be hurt and disappointed to bring someone in to help us with subjects, with topics, with study tips, and you not show up. And am asking all of my preachers, particularly all of my teachers, anyone who's interested in teaching, it's open for free to any and everyone who wants to come with Dr. Oliver Phillips. Let me share about Dr. Oliver Phillips. Dr. Oliver Phillips, listen, will be here Saturday from 10 to 2 next Saturday, and we will come back for the musical at 6. But Oliver Phillips was so intrigued and impressed by the ministry of Community Church that he was, and I do say past tense was, the highest African American in the Church of the Nazarene U.S. wide. He has left the Nazarene Church to become a member of the Community Church. Amen. Now, that's crazy. However, let me share with you what else he's done. He has packed up everything that belongs to him, and he said to me, Pastor, when I come for this conference, I'm not coming back to Florida. I want to be with my church family. Amen. We're honored, thankful, and blessed to have the personality of Oliver Phillips with us. He has written well over 20 books, and he is coming to be in worship with us.